Hey, little chickens. So today we are just saying hi to the chickens. I don't really know. Hi, Peanut. Ow! She just bit my finger. Okay, yeah. So let's just turn this around. So we've got all of our, not all of our chicks, but we got Fro Body. Hi, Fro Body. Chirp. The white chicken. Little Peanut. Peanut, hi. And then the yellow chicken and Nugget. So I was thinking for the yellow chicken, either marmalade or butterscotch. Go Trip. Hi. I think that's really cute. I'm not sure what to name the white chicken yet. Like marshmallow. Focus. Like marshmallow or something. I don't really know. But yeah. We got these two little ladies. Hi, Chirp. And Fro Body. So yes, we got all of our chickens in here. How you doing, Nugget? And Peanut. Peanut, you want to come here? Here, let me hold you, okay, Peanut? Hi, Peanut. No, Peanut. Ow, Peanut. Peanut. Come here. Don't you jump down, girls. Peanut, what are you doing? No. Hey, come back here, Peanut. No. I know you went back in. I'll put you back in. Come here. No. Why did you jump down? You almost made everyone else jump down, Peanut? No, Peanut, don't you jump down again. Stop. You're fine, okay? I know you want to go in the house. Not your house. My house. I know you want to. She really likes to sit inside of our house. It's really cute. Stop! Peanut. Seriously? Hey. Fro Body. Come here. Let's go. You are not being good, okay, Fro Body? You cannot do that. Ow. You can't just jump down like that, okay? Without telling me. I let you jump down. You just can't jump down right now, okay? Thank you. Okay, you wanna Chirp. Get up there, Fro Body. What are you doing, Lady Chirp? Hey. I know there's a lot of seeds and stuff on the ground, because that's where you always kick all your seeds at. Chirp. We got Miss Little Chirp. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay. So, there you go in there, Chirp. And Fro Body. And you little fluffy chicken. Hi. What if we called you like marshmallow fluff? There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna go over right here. I'm thinking about these. Let me just wash these up. I was thinking about these toys that we got. They're really cute. So we got this xylophone. Oh, how do I show this? We got, yeah, right there. We got, I can't see my hand. We got this xylophone that the chickens are supposed to peck at. It's like, I can't really do it right now, but it makes little digging noises. And they like that. It's really cute too. And then we got this little thing that helps them. It's really dusty right now, but it helps them. Wait, before I get onto this, I have to say that one's turning green. Ow! Stop biting my toe. And this one's kind of turning like purple because it got wet one time, and then the color's changing. But they like this too. It's really cute, and it helps them like sharpen their beak, and they can't rip off those pieces right there, which is really good. So yeah. Thank you, ladies. Ooh. Okay. Let's come over here and say hi to Cuddles and Miss Roberts. And then Goldie and Blue. Okay. Yeah, there's leaves all over the ground. Hi, Cuddles. Oh, what's wrong? Hi, Cuddles and Miss Roberts. Miss Roberts, you want to come up here? I don't know if you want to, but... Don't, no. Come here, Miss Roberts. Okay, I got you, Miss Roberts. Okay, so I got Miss Roberts. Say hi, Miss Roberts. Hi, Miss Roberts. No? Yes? No? Say hi. I think she's camera shy. Hey, Cuddles, get down. No, you better not jump up here. You've been trying to. So we got little Miss Roberts. Miss Roberts. She likes to eat leaves. Should I get a leaf? I'm scared to get leaves because there was this big spider and one. It was wrapped up in one like a burrito thing. And I grabbed it and it jumped out. It tried to attack me. It was super scary. Okay, I'll try to get one. Slap it and grab it. Okay. So, well, all of my chickens love leaves, but her mostly, she eats them all. But yeah, you sure do love leaves, don't you? Yeah? You gonna go to sleep? Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Little Miss Roberts. Go to sleep. Baby, she doesn't really like to sleep in people's hands. There you go, Cuddles. Okay, there's that. Let me grab Cuddles now. Come here, Cuddles. Cuddles, come here. If he'll let me, because sometimes he doesn't like to be held. Come on. Hey, what's wrong? Come here. Hey, I can't reach you from back there. Yeah, come closer. I can reach you. Don't, I can't reach you, Cuddles. Come here. Oh, don't step in your water. Got little miss. Got Mr. Cuddles. Mr. Cuddles. You're tired from running around, huh? Hi, Cuddles. Hi, Cuddles. So we got Mr. Cuddles. I can show you his wing. Oh, sorry, I got your tail stuck. This is his wing. Very pretty, very pretty. If I say so myself. He's an Americana. So if he did lay eggs, he would lay blue, really pretty blue eggs. But you don't lay eggs, huh? Yeah? You just like to fall asleep in people's hands? Yeah? That's okay. Really cute. Okay, come on, Cuddles. Oh, there you go. Okay, and then we got Goldie and Blue in here. Hi, Blue. We also got this little dangly thing. Say hi, Blue. Blue, no. Blue, say hi. No, you're fine. Say hi, Blue. What are you trying to eat? No, hey. Blue. Hi, Blue. Okay, yeah, so we got Blue. Oh. Yeah. Okay, there you go. You're fine. Goldie, come back here. There we go. Get that out for you. No, come here. Goldie doesn't really like to come to people. There's Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Yeah. Hi. Okay. Bye, Goldie. Get your little booty in there. Okay. So that's all 10 of our chickens. And basically, Goldie and Blue are about 4 months, I think. 4 or 5 months. I'll say 4 months. Then we got Chirp and Frobody, which are 6 months. Peanut and Nugget, which are about 2 months. Let's just say Butterscotch, I don't know. Butterscotch and the white chicken are both 5 months. Cuddles and Miss Roberts are both a year old. So, yeah. So the yellow chicken and the white chicken are gonna be laying. They can lay an egg like any day. And then Blue and Goldie still probably have. They could lay an egg still any day because it's their round of time. But I don't think their breed lays eggs for another month. So yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Saying hi. I almost said goodbye. Saying hi to the chickens. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for the next video. And also hit the like button, the subscribe button, and right next to the subscribe button there's a little bell. If you press that bell, you can get notified for all my videos that I post right when they come out. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye, love chickens.